Time now to focus on the Real Estate Regulatory Authority, which just got more real for the industry after the government released the second set of draft rules for the regulator last week. In fact, even as states gear up with their own versions of the Real Estate Regulatory Authority, Realty Inc. is busy preparing for what they are dubbing the post-RERA era. Kavita Krishnan gets us this report.
Last weekend saw Realty Inc. congregate in Ahmedabad for the Realty Plus Conclave and Awards. But even as industry took time out to honour their brightest, what dominated discussions was the impending rollout of RERA, or the real estate regulator, across the country.
We are all now the witness of this whole transformation, and a lot of things going to be happen. Our paradigm shift will be happening in coming years. Many fly-by-night operators will go away, but having said that, there are some good developers. There are many, most of them are good developers. They have to be very legal and document compliant also.
The recent set of rules released by the Housing Ministry calls for developers to be compliant with a whole host of rules and make disclosures under at least 60 different heads. While industry admits this will bring in much needed transparency in the sector, they are also questioning the omission of the government authorities from RERA. Another big concern is the 70% escrow limit that developers will have to maintain for every project. Industry is hinting that this could bring black money back into the system.
The minute we say 70% escrow and everything is escrowed, the developers' equity will have to be high. So either the fund will have to step in or the developer has to put in his own funds. And because of RERA, the pre-sale is now not allowed in any form. I cannot raise deposits, I can't take as an advance. Nothing is possible now. So possibly we will find a method to, if somebody would invest in terms of cash, maybe that could come back.
Other big changes that developers are predicting: a shakeout in the system which will see small-time developers and brokers leave the business, and fewer joint development deals as landowners will shy away from compliance. But for industry, the big hope is that RERA will bring the buyer back into the market.
In this act, because there will be a lot of litigations from both sides, and then a practical approach will prevail, and the regulator will keep, the state level regulator in each state, depending on what the hardships are there to the both sides, they will continue to, and I hope so, they will continue to amend them to bring more transparency to the industry and bring that faith back which the builders have lost for the consumers.
One thing that industry does agree on, however, is that RERA will compel developers to work towards a system where they will focus on fewer projects and ensure completion, rather than keep launching new projects, which should be good news for buyers. In Ahmedabad, Kavita Krishnan, Magic Bricks Now.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at Magic Bricks Now. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.